with full responsibility and honesty. I will also follow all the rules of school and will assist the principal and teachers to enforce discipline and order in the school. Allah Pak आप सबका हामी और नासिर हो. Thank you very much.
Informative extracurricular activities are part of the school life which help enhancing their knowledge and building their confidence. LDS has put a step forward to indulge in such activities. It's time to appreciate the students who took part in Kangaroo International Science Contest 2023 and Second Kangaroo.
IKSC 2023 series winners categories are bronze medal holders, 3-star badge winners, 1-star badge winners. International Kangaroo Photograph Competition Series winners categories are 1-star badge winners, special ballpoint winners. I would like to invite Sir Aga Saqib sir to please come on the stage to distribute the prizes. Please encourage the students. Encourage the students.
Kangaroo International is a math and science contest in over 77 countries, but Leaders in School has been a pioneer in participating in such international competition, and our students have been getting awards on international level.
ये आशा बेटे पीछे वो आगे आओ आगे